As of August 2026, in South Africa, desktop RAM sells from 1,599 for 8 gigabytes of DDR4 and 3,799 for 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM available at Evetech. Let's head on over to evetech.co.za to have a look. As we see on the DDR4 section, with prices sorted from low to high, again, to reiterate, the cheapest option is 8 gigabytes at 1,599, and that's the KLEVV 1 8 gigabyte stick of RAM. It's 3200 megahertz. And then for DDR5 RAM, same sorted low to high, the cheapest is the ADATA Premier for 3,799, and this one is 16 gigabytes. Now, remember, DDR4 and DDR5 cannot be mixed. If you have a DDR4 build, to the AM4 build, for example, you would have to upgrade your existing system using DDR4. So this would be the best for you. But if you want to buy new RAM for a new system, then DDR5 is the way to go. Or if your platform is already on AM5. Now, just to look back at the DDR4 RAM, we can see as you go up to 16 gigabytes for one stick, it is 2,699 rands, and that's this KLEVV RAM over here, and it is 3,200 megahertz of speed. And again, as we move on higher onto the list, we can see here the most expensive RAM pack on Evetech. For DDR4, it is this Kingston Fury Beast RGB 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, and that will come to 3,499 rand. So that is two 8 gigabyte sticks, and the speed is 3,600 megahertz. Now, if we head on over to DDR5, I've already spoken about the 3,799 one. We can move on to 6,000 megahertz of speed, and this will come to about 3,999, and it also includes some for white builds, which is 8,000 megahertz of speed. This is a 24 gigabyte stick, and it is a Kingston stick. This will come to 6,999 rand. Now, the most expensive DDR5 RAM pack that Evetech offers is this Corsair 4 sticks of 48 gigabytes of DDR5 5200 megahertz speed RAM. So in total, that would be 192 gigabytes of RAM. So this is for workstations, heavy editing, and things of that nature. And maybe you're running your own servers. 60 gigabytes is still okay for gaming. But if you want to stream, game, and have tabs open, 32 gigabytes of RAM should be the sweet spot, and it can be able to future-proof you as well. If you head any higher than that, that's for creatives, workstation, heavy loads, and that's where you want to look into more RAM, your 48 gigabytes of RAM, your 96 gigabytes of RAM available at evetech.co.za. Remember, these prices are confirmed as of August 2026, and they are subject to change. But once again, if you want to cop yourself some RAM, head on over to evetech.co.za.